All right.
You think this would be strong enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take note
Okay.
of the speed.
All right. I don't suggest to do this, but it's because we don't have any gas in the line. So if there's any sparks, it's not gonna kill us all. Okay.
Yeah, you could just send it. You just send it.
Oh, you see some gas over there? Oh, dripping a tad bit.
Really?
Yeah, look. See that?
Barely. Yeah, I see it though. I see rust.
Okay, whoops, I thought I
seen rust flying, but that's it. It's working!
Alright, hold on, I'm gonna see how much that did.
Alright, we're gonna get back to you guys after. We're just gonna cut this whole pipe off where it's leaking. It's leaking right there, so...
Yeah, right in here, so we're just gonna cut it from
all
here,
up there.
well, maybe about here.
Yeah,
right?
we're gonna replace it with rubber hose and clamp it.
Yeah.
2 feet long of hose, so...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. There
Alright, let's yank it out.
Pull it out, yeah.
Oh, fuck, it doesn't want to. Oh, wait.
What the fuck?
No. Oh, what these are supposed to be like.
That's pretty
It's just
fucked,
all
right?
rottage, dude. Oh, fuck, that was close. Ugh! Dude, where's the rubber hose?
You got it all on my fucking face. What?
Where's the rubber hose?
It's right behind you.
I can't see it. Oh, yeah, I'm holding it, the heck.
Rust doesn't taste that bad, eh?
Alright, where's the clamps? Oh, it's in my car. Alright, 2 cars are being jumped right now. Wires are attached. It doesn't turn off. Go for it.
You just turned it off.
Oh, whatever. Okay, go for it.
Okay,
Wait. Give it a second. Go for it. Probably a bad connection. Let me check it. Be sure I got a good ground. Go for it. Go for it. Alright, check for leaks.